Hey everyone, what's going on? Got my snow wheels here. Let's open them up. Already hitting buttons on the no starter. These are heavy. Got these from the Wheel Source. These are eBay Steelies. Did a really good job taping them. Oh, there they are. There they are. Pretty decent lip on there. Alright. So you got these from the Wheel Source, 17 by 7, 5 by 114, and a plus 20 offset. Or I'm sorry, plus 22 offset. Alright, so we got them all unboxed. They're going to be mounted to some used Bridgestone blizzaks WS70s that are 225/60 R17s. Again, these are 17 by 7 plus 22 offset. The factory wheels that I have are 18 by 7 plus 42 offset. So that little lip is probably about 20 millimeters, which should give it a little bit more flush. And once I get these mounted, I'll do a video of that. But I mean, I got them from the Wheel Source, and they were 75 bucks a wheel, free shipping. Also, these nice fiberglass eyelids came. Let me grab one. Right now they're just in primer, but I'm going to paint them with the matte black and get some double-sided tape and get those on there. Probably do it all the same day, mount the tires, put the eyelids on, and swap the rack out for the board attachments, and just do one a little bit longer video on all that. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the wheels. I mean, for just Steelies, I mean, they are a bit heavy, but you know, don't want to slide into, I mean, there's a lot of potholes and stuff that form over the winter, and so want to make sure that they can take a bit of a beating. So once we get those mounted, I'll video for that and see how they look when they get on there. Until next time.